how to make fake Telegram account without number. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn whether or not it is possible for us to create a fake Telegram account without a phone number. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you try to log into Telegram, right off the bat, the very first thing it asks you is their phone number. So there is no option to create your account using email or other forms of services. The only thing that you need here is your phone number. Now, unfortunately, you can't create an account on Telegram without a phone number, not even using a fake or a virtual phone number, because Telegram usually detects the virtual number and they knows that too many login attempts has been made using the phone number, and hence will restrict that phone number from logging in. So there is no any other way other than just trying to go ahead and then registering with a new phone number. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.